Did you know some fish have more heart-cleansing omega-3s than a bottle of pills? Fish can be your secret weapon for a strong heart and sharp brain. But not all fish are created equal. Today, we break down the top 15 healthiest fish for your body and the planet. Which side are you on? Salmon or sardines? Comment your pick. Number 1. Wild Alaskan salmon. The king of healthy fish, packed with omega-3, safe from mercury, and caught the right way. This one's a no-brainer. 2. Sardines. Small fish, huge power. They've got vitamin D, calcium, and tons of omega-3. Plus, they're super safe to eat. Ever tried sardines on toast? Yes or no? 3. Mackerel. This one's an omega-3 bomb, more than salmon. And it's cleaner than the big king mackerel. 4. Rainbow trout. Farmed the safe way in North America. High in protein, low in bad stuff, and easy to find. Which trout would you grill? 5. Herring. Grandpa's favorite fish, because it's a superfood forever, full of good fats and vitamin D. 6. Albacore tuna. A better tuna choice, lower mercury, still loaded with omega-3, but go for the responsibly caught kind. 7. Alaska pollock. The quiet hero, lean, light, and always sustainable. You've probably eaten it without knowing. 8. Pacific cod. Flaky white meat that's full of vitamins. Best when it comes from Alaska waters. 9. Anchovies. Tiny but crazy healthy. Low in mercury, good for the ocean, and full of nutrients. 10. Sablefish. Smooth and buttery on your plate, full of omega-3, and safe to eat if it's from Alaska. 11. Shrimp. Low in mercury, high in protein, and tasty. Just stick to shrimp from North America. 12. Oysters, mussels, and clams. These shellfish clean the ocean while boosting your health with zinc and iron. Would you dare eat them raw? 13. Tilapia. Not the omega king, but super safe, cheap, and perfect for beginners who don't like fishy fish. 14. Pollock and cod. These two cousins are mild, lean, and healthy. Rotate them for easy meals. 15. Catfish. Farm-raised in the US. This one's safe, packed with protein, and easy on your wallet. Fried or baked? What's your pick? Top 3 best choices. Alaskan salmon, sardines, mackerel. Because they combine top omega-3, low mercury, and sustainability. Smart picks: salmon, sardines, mackerel, trout, pollock, and shellfish. Rotate your choices. Check for sustainable labels.